Today we are going to make fried tofu with ginger sauce. It's a plant-based and very easy to make. Just a quick reminder, on my web I have over 170 Japanese food recipes including today's recipe, so please have a look and let me know what you think. I'm leaving the link in the description box below. I have one block of firm tofu. We don't have extra firm tofu in Japan, so we need to remove the excess moisture. Put something heavy on top of it. The small bowl was too light, so putting one can and leave it for 10 minutes. Moving on to the sauce, first remove the skin of ginger. My ginger was old, so the skin was quite tough. If your ginger is fresh, then you can just scrape off the skin by using a spoon. We just don't want the fibrous part into our sauce. And chop them finely. Next, chop the leek finely. As a substitution, spring onion and shallot are great options. Make a slit diagonally on the both sides and chop them finely. This way will speed up the chopping process. I learned it from a cooking show in Japan. If you have any other chopping hack, please share in the comment section below. I have yuzu. Peel the zest for the garnish. I was expecting the zest to be coming out like a lemon zest, but in result, it's more liquidy and stuck on the grater, so I ended up cutting it with a knife and squeeze the juice. If you don't find yuzu, try with lime or even grapefruit. In a bowl, I have a ginger and leek, and in goes juice of yuzu, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar to balance out. Mix it completely and our sauce is ready. How easy is that? Back to tofu, lots of water has been extracted. And cut it into big pieces. And by the way, I have another vegan fried tofu recipe on this channel and linked it in the description box below. Wipe off the excess moisture before you coat with the potato starch, then put straight into the oil. Shallow fry them over mid-high heat until all the surface becomes nice and brown. You don't want to leave the tofu after you coat it with the potato starch since moisture will start to seep out and ends up very sticky. You can also use cornstarch as a sop, and I tried once without starch and in result, the oil splattered all over, so I recommend using some kind of starch to coat, which is gonna bring a nice crispy bites. Transfer onto the wire rack to remove the oil. Then plate them nicely. Drizzle your ginger sauce. Sprinkle some spring onion and zest of yuzu. Tofu is crunchy and rich on the outside and fluffy inside. Perfectly go with this refreshing yuzu ginger dressing. I really want you guys to try this. I love to enjoy it with the rice and soup, but you can also top on the salad or noodle. This dressing itself goes with pretty much any dish. If you're not plant-based, you can enjoy it with the sauteed salmon or chicken. It's a little bit tart, so might not be suitable for kids. For the next video, it'll be either what I eat on the day or plant-based okonomiyaki recipe. Let me know which one you guys want to see. If you make one, tag me on Instagram at Miwa Japanese Cooking Class. And don't forget to subscribe and I hope to see you in the next video. Mata ne!